Wait, you I'll try and smash it now.
Did you say what? She's a Nutella lady.
Oh, I see it. Oh, that sounds so fucking good. Why is it doing that? That feels rank. Go and find the kitchen roll right now. Ugh. Sacrifice I make for Foley. Didn't break.